Hello, everyone, and welcome back. So, I get asked a lot of questions during the week, and it's great. I love the opportunity to be able to help somebody understand something about the market. This is what I do this video. But one of the most common questions that I get asked is when should I close my trade? Like, should I close it in an hour, in a day, in a week, etc. So today I decided to record this video and try to explain for everyone the different types of trading strategies or different types of traders. So there are four main categories, which three of them the majority of people fall under: scalping trading, day trading, swing trading, and position trading. So we're going to be talking generally today about scalping, day trading, swing trading. We're going to be talking about the time duration, the types of charts, trade target and risk, frequency of trades, and entry and exit time. We're not going to be talking about position trading because position trading takes a long time. It takes actually years. So, for example, let's say you bought a stock and you just hold still to it for like 6 to 7 years. So, it's technically more of an investing than trading, but it is trading. So, we had to mention it. So, let's start with scalping trading. Sorry. So, if we go here, so time duration for scalping trading is usually a few seconds to a number of minutes. Basically, when we trade, we open the trade, we wait a few seconds, we hit our target, then we exit. Analysis on chart usually done on 1 to 5 minute charts, so we don't use big scale charts. The targets usually with scalping trading is quite low because the trade duration isn't really that much, so the market doesn't have enough time to actually move up or down that much. So most of the profits or the losses, the loss is very low. Uh, Scalp trading has a high frequency of trades because of the small risk. Because, like I said, the market isn't moving that much, so you can have a lot of trades in like 1 hour. You can have like 20, 30 trades. It depends on the person that's trading. So, scalpers. This is the main thing about scalper trading, though. Scalpers need to know exactly when to enter and when to exit a trade because a small mistake can have a huge impact on the trade. For example, let's say we're gonna buy a certain stock. The stock is selling for $50. Okay, so scalper trading look to buy and sell at 50, and they want to exit at, for instance, 50.20 cents. You see how the margin is quite low. So they need to exactly go in on 50 and go out on 20 cents because if they don't, it can actually affect the profitability of the trade. So this is everything you need to know about scalping trading. Now, let's go down here and talk about day trading. Now, day trading is a little bit longer. Basically, they're trades that are happening within a day. Okay, so the time duration for the trades are usually between 15 minutes and a number of hours. Uh, when we analyze chart here, we analyze the 30-minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour charts always. These traders do have a larger target than scalper trading because of the bigger time duration, and they do have a lower frequency than scalpers. So it's usually between 2 to 10 trades per week. So like we said, it's not scalping. It's not so much of a short period of time. It's a little bit longer. So day traders don't have that. Sorry about that. The risk about entering and exiting a trade, because like if you entered a little bit early or entered a little bit late, it's not gonna be a big deal for you. Now, let's talk about swing traders. So, swing traders is on a larger scale, okay? So, it usually refers to when people trade between a couple of days, could be weeks, it could be months. So, time duration typically lasts from a day to a couple of months. Analysis here is done usually on daily, weekly, and monthly charts. Remember that. So because of the time frame is actually quite good, quite big. So the targets here are way higher. Like for instance, in our example, when we talked about the stock that is selling for $50. So when we're talking about a swing trader, his target could be 75. So he bought at 50 and he's waiting until the stock hits 75. Look at the difference between swing trading and scalping. Scalping is like 50.20 cents. If we're talking day trading, we could be talking like 55, 54, something like that. So Swing trading usually have a low frequency in trades, so they don't trade that much. They usually trade between 2 to 15 trades per month because of the higher risk and higher rewards as well. Entry and exit, same as day trading, it doesn't have a big impact here because, I mean, the targets are so huge, so it doesn't matter if you like entered at 52 or 53, your target is still 75. And that's everything you need to know about it. Now, you might ask yourself, what type of trader I am? Like, am I a scalping trading, a day trading, a swing trader, a position trader? In my opinion, it all comes down to two different things. The first one is your personality. So, are you the type of guy that's comfortable holding a trade for multiple days and seeing the market move up and having in your mind a bigger target kind of picture? Then swing trading is for you. If you're the type of guy that doesn't like to hold onto a trade more than a day, then scalping or day trading is better for you. Now, the second major factor that affects here is your lifestyle. So, some people have a lot of free time, some people don't. So, scalping and day trading requires a lot of time to keep an eye, keep watching the market how it's moving. So, some people might not have that time to keep an eye on the market, see how it's moving. So, swing trading is better for them because they can just open every day, like in the morning, like, hey, okay, I see the markets, all good, my trade is still valid. Some people do have a lot of time on their hand and they just want to stay still behind the computer and just watching the trade, how it goes up and goes down and close it and make profit from it. So you got to remember something though. You don't have to be one of them. You can be all four of them. You can be two of them. You can be three of them. You just got to try each one and see which works better for you and which works better with your lifestyle. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed and learned something from here. Please make sure to like this button and follow. Thank you all. Take care.